Hello marvelous people, welcome back. Marvelous Motivations, as always, your very own Mr. Marvelous. We are in a push-up series this month, so we're going to keep it basic, 101. I know we have the challenge with the ball, or how many push-ups can you do, so numbers are coming in. We have a video we're going to release to you. People have been doing it. We'll show you some people who tried it with the push-up on that 360, on that medicine, on that stability ball. But today we're going to focus on a basic push-up, the original simple push-up. So for the beginners, so a push-up is a very powerful way to work out. It works your elbows, your chest, your shoulders, your core, back. So the push-up is like a full body workout, kind of. It attacks many body parts. So the push-up, the biggest thing, your body is in line, yes? Your body is in line. Core is tight. Also, what you're looking for, your arms, your shoulders, your wrist is below your arms. So it's not like up here or down here. So make sure that's in line. And it's like shoulder width apart. So everything is in line. And you're gonna come down, core is tight, slowly, almost to the ground, to the floor, and come up slowly. So that's your head, not that up here, but in line with the body. Slowly come down, come back up. So that's your original, natural 101 push-up. Again, slowly come down and up. A little modification. So if you have any wrist problems, so try your knuckle and try going on your, if you're a beginner, super beginner, try on your knees. Now, something that I don't want to see is this. See that ass? No, no, no. Never put your ass tight. Put your core, your glute, bring it down. Keep your core tight and come down slowly. Again, you have no wrist problems, just keep it natural. Core is tight. Your butt, nope. Bring it in and bend your elbows. Bend that elbow and come back up slowly. So there you have it, the push-up 101. See you next week for our next 101 push-ups. Thank you, muchas gracias, and as always, remember, be marvelous.